See, what is this reaction? So you can write this reaction, write it. This reaction used for the preparation of, used for the preparation of benzaldehyde. That's all. Used for the preparation of benzaldehyde and substituted benzaldehyde, right? What is the statement of this reaction? See in this. See in this reaction. Benzene or any derivative of benzene or any derivative of benzene on the reaction with carbon monoxide and HCl. Benzene on the reaction with CO, carbon monoxide, and HCl, hydrochloric acid, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride or CuCl, any one of these, not both. Either we can use this. That should be traces of, right? Or CuCl gives what? It gives, we can say, aldehyde. It gives aldehyde. Okay, right. So let us go for example. If you take this one, if you take benzene, carbon monoxide, hydrochloric acid, we can use here AlCl3. So what will happen? There is a formation of, directly we can write this is a benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. Okay, right. This is the benzaldehyde, and this is called as the Gattermann-Koch reaction. It is a very simple reaction. By utilizing this reaction, we can prepare the benzaldehyde. If we are using some substituted benzene, methyl benzene or nitrobenzene, so this group will be directed by the group which is present here on the ring. So this is called as Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is a very simple reaction for the synthesis of aromatic aldehyde.